hit the roof.
I didn't have any physical injuries, but my pockets were hurt a lot, and my ego was.
Taking that jet pay off the run?
We spent the win about $1,500 that night, and all in all, at the end of the weekend, we wound up losing $10 grand.
Let's do the math. Ron put up $5 grand to win $1,500, and wound up losing $10 grand. Let's see. Carry the one. Yeah, a really bad idea. See what you get for giving an extra 10%? Way to go, Ron. Yep, giving 110% is not nearly as rewarding as it sounds. You're better off sticking like 77%. Our tools don't get enough credit. Not only do they help us bounce the fastball and keep it from falling on our face, but they can also provide hours of entertainment. All right, ladies. We'll leave a couple of seconds. Don't believe it? Just watch. Have you ever wanted to do something that's never been done in the history of the world? Something along the lines of, I don't know, painting your toes up to look like little mice. Me neither. But this guy did. Notice the attention to detail. How long did this take? About 2 hours long it takes to fill out a job application. But it doesn't matter because